Good morning, boys and girls. Today is May 13th and it's our day 33. So let's go over our tasks for today. I'm gonna come later in the day to do a read aloud. Today you have to do word study for ELA, so I thought I'll do a read aloud and we will work on some of our reading skills. Girls and boys, it's very important to go on Raskids and do your assignments and readings there, and also on Dreambox, so you can complete your Dreambox math work. I know you enjoy doing both of them, so please make sure you're logging on because we can see if you are reading or not. And I don't want any of my kids to be not reading, right? We want to be good readers and improve our reading level. All right, for today, let's look at our tasks. So I just posted it. You are going to be doing your ELA vowel team, and you're going to watch this video. There's a video you can watch. Okay, seems like it's not working, so I'm going to change the video and put a different one, okay? But you have your practice worksheet, and this is sort the OA and the OW words. Now, this is the long vowel sound for O, right? When you see OA or OW, it makes the O sound: grow, road, snow, throw, coat, toad. So you have to sort these words, and then you have to use these words in the box and fill it in the blanks. Okay, it's pretty easy. And then I want you to write sentences using the OA and the OW words. So be creative. Think of the word first and then make your sentences. If you cannot come up with any of your words, you can use the words from the box. All right, for math, I hope you're enjoying math. Math is really fun. I was going through all of these, and I'm going to go do a tutorial tomorrow on making a 10 to add. Okay, I put up a video yesterday and I think it's really good. You should all watch it because it teaches how to add doubles and add +1, +2 to make it easier. Okay, so this is your choice board and you are going to pick one of the activities from here and you're going to cross it out. And let's look at this. So I'm going to work on this page tomorrow. If you are interested to save this for tomorrow, you can save it. I'll teach you how to do this math. Make a 10, making a 10 to add, right? I'm going to teach you how to do this tomorrow. For science, you have this reading. So let's look at it. Some Birds Don't Fly by Rachel Kreisman. Most birds fly, some do not. Penguins, ostriches, and kiwis do not fly. Like all birds, they have feathers. They also hatch from eggs. Penguins live on land and in water. They have short legs. They waddle when they walk. Penguins use their wings to swim. Their wings are like flippers. So their wings are actually, they help them swim as well, but they cannot fly, right? Ostriches are the largest birds. They can grow taller than the tallest person on earth. They are fast runners. They use wings for balance. Kiwis have brown feathers, so even ostriches do not fly. Okay, kiwis have brown feathers. Their beaks are long. They use their beaks to find an egg and eat bugs. Kiwis have tiny wings. Their wings are too small for flying. And then you have these questions, right? What do all birds have in common? You know, they all birds have feathers and hatch eggs. And I don't want to give you all the answers, so please make sure you're writing the answers. It says draw a kiwi bird. So you can Google and find what a kiwi looks like. And I'm looking forward to all your drawings. Okay, if you go here, you can even find the reading in a video form that reads out to you. I don't know why people are having trouble logging in, but I logged in today and it's fine. It works. The next thing we have is social studies. In social studies, we're going to watch a video about transportation and how transportation has changed. So once you watch this video, you can go back over here on in your packet, and I want you to think about this sheet here, transportation then and now. In the past, people rode in carriages pulled by blank. When people wanted to travel far, they would take think about it. What did they do in the olden times, right? When people wanted to travel far, they would take a blank. So I want you to think in the past. This is called a Venn diagram. And in a Venn diagram, you can compare and contrast. Remember, I told you about compare is when you're thinking about the difference, or you're thinking about what is different. And when you contrast, you're going to think about what's the same. So it goes in here. If it's the same, it goes in here in the middle, and if it's different, it goes on either side. Okay, so make sure you're doing this. I know some of you are confused, but try your best. What I'm gonna do today at the end of the day is put up a video with the answers so you can have an idea of how to do this. Okay, but I want you to try. It's not that hard. I know it's new to you, but you can do it. And some of you did a great job with schools then and now. I hope you had an amazing time learning about how schools were in the past and how they are now. And you definitely learn how to appreciate what we have right now. Okay, so let me see. That's about it for today. And you should make sure to read on Raz-Kids and to work on Dreambox for 15 minutes. If you have questions, I have my Google Voice number there. You can call me. And I hope you have a fun day for Spirit Week. You have to dress up as an essential worker. So if you want to do that, you can dress up as a doctor, nurse, mail worker, police officers. These are just some suggestions. If you want to do other things, you can do that as well. Thank you so much for participating, Jesslyn and Ria and Jaden. And I also got Natalie from yesterday. So I'm going to post some pictures when I get more today. All right. Okay, take care, my friends. I shall see you for the read aloud later in the day.